All right, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about NAS 100. I'm currently doing my Forex Funds challenge, 100K challenge, and I'm up 4.6%. I'm going to be showing you the one trade that I took that got me up 4%, 4.6%. I'm going to be showing you in my MT4, which is where I place my trades, but I'm still going to mark up the charts on TradingView. So I'm going to talk about everything that I do before I look for a trade, or how, I'm going to go step by step what I do when I look for a trade. All right, top down analysis. All right, so the very first thing that I do when I look for a trade is I go to the daily chart. So going to the daily, NAS 100 is in an uptrend. And that's identified by seeing the water or the 50 EMA. Price is above the 50 EMA. So simply put, that's how you can tell it's in an uptrend. And you can just clearly see that the price is going up. But if you want to be technical, like sometimes you can't really see if it's going up or down, or you might get confused. As long as price is above the 50 EMA, it's in an uptrend. And if it's below, then it's in a downtrend. But NAS 100 is in an uptrend. So I'm really only looking for buy setups. All right. And then the next thing I do is I look at the past 3 or 5 days and I see where price is in the weekly structure in like the cycle. I trade market maker. So I'm looking to see if it's consolidating, if it's in level 1, level 2. Right now, NAS 100 looks like it's consolidating. Price is not really breaking above or below. It broke above right here and made a nice peak, but came right back down into this consolidation area. So it didn't, if it breaks above and comes right back into the area, it doesn't really count. It has to break above and stay above. So this is still consolidating. I would still consider this consolidation from the past all week. So that's a good sign for me. So now, well, it really doesn't matter because I can identify whatever level it's in. But today, I see that price is consolidating. So today, when I saw price down near the bottom of this consolidation area, near market open time, and price, the TDI is oversold, I'm going to show you my MT4. So this is where I trade from. So initially looking for a setup, after I see the D1 trend and I look at the past few days and see what level it's in, I look for a break of the Asian range. So the Asian range on NAS 100 is really, really tight. So that's a good thing. That's setting up for a good trade. So it broke to the downside, which is what I was looking for to go up, because I'm looking for a W structure or a double bottom structure. So it came down, broke below the 800 EMA and made a W formation. And this candle right here is at market open. So I'm going to show you on TradingView. If we come down to the 15-minute, I don't really trade on the 5-minute except for for entries. So this is 8:30. So at 9:15, oh, this is the market open candle, this big one, the shift candle. So I got in after this candle right here at 8:45. So once this candle broke above the 8 EMA, the 5 EMA, that's when I got in. So you see it came down below the EMAs, broke below the EMAs, broke back above, back below. That's an amazing setup for a buy. It's a nice W. Below, above, below, above, and then I entered. And then it just was up from there. So this is the trade that I took, and now I'm up 4.6%. And I have to make another I think 33, another 3.3%. I gotta make around $3,000 more, $3,400 approximately. So yeah, that's basically all I do. It's pretty simple. Yesterday was a good trade also. It's a tight Asian range. It broke above, made an M formation. This W is a lot easier to see today than the M yesterday was to see. But it was all at market open. So after you've been trading for a little while, you can see it a lot easier. See, it came above the yellow EMA, which is either the 5 or the 8. Doesn't matter, but it came above we call it the mustard and the ketchup. So it came above, broke back below on this candle, back above, and then back below right here. So that's a entry signal. So if you'd have got in right here on the sell, it'd have been a nice day yesterday. But these setups happen basically every day in indices. And here's another setup. Break below, break below the Asian range. This made a beautiful W on the 800 EMA W. Boom, straight to the upside. And if you'd have held it, it'd have went longer. But you know, that's the trade that I took. And tomorrow I'm gonna be trading live. We're gonna see what sets up. I also took this Euro USD trade, but it didn't contribute to me being up in my challenge because I was down 1%. So if I zoom out, yeah, see? So anything below 50 on the Asian range is an amazing setup. So if the Asian range is above 50, then I'm not trading that pair for the day. So 19 is an amazing Asian range. Euro USD broke below 3 pushes, 1, 2, 3 pushes to yesterday's low. And I really like trading at yesterday's low and yesterday's high. Those are the most high probability trades for me. So once it broke yesterday's low, it slightly closed below it and then broke back above it. I got into this trade on a buy and I got out after the 200 EMA. So that helped bring me back to break even. And then the NAS100 trade took me to the 4.6%. So that's it. I'm waiting to see if NAS100 breaks this consolidation zone and then we can see where we're going from there. So that's all I got today.